Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis. I'm here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a bunkhouse model that's not like super big like some of the 30 footers, and it's not some little dinky one where you got to cram little toddlers in. You can actually fit some grown adults if you want to, let alone some kids that can keep growing as you keep this thing. So it's a 2020 Jayco Jay Flight 242 BHSW. It weighs 5,000 and something pounds, so it's not super heavy, it's not super long, it's 24 feet, not counting all the stuff sticking out in the front and the back. And what they do now on these is called a Rocky Mountain Edition package. If you're familiar at all with Jaycos, they do Baja and non-Baja. This is a non-Baja, but now you don't have to go to a Baja package to get the bigger water tanks. So this comes standard with a 40-gallon freshwater tank, and then Rocky Mountain Edition gives it an additional 40-gallon freshwater tank. You got 80 gallons of fresh water, which is pretty insane for a 24-foot trailer. With that Rocky Mountain package, they have an 8 cubic foot fridge I'll show you inside, so it's got this humongous fridge, and also you get a porcelain toilet and a bunch of other nice little adds to it too. So even though it's not Baja, it still has made in the US Goodyear tires on it. They're just not the big oversized off-road ones. I'd probably have this model in that too if you really want that. So you got a power tongue jack. They upgraded their jack this year. It's a better one than, you know, they did the same one everybody else did for years. It's a little nicer this year. You got solar prep up front too. You got a nice pass through here. All the locks and doors and everything's key to like with the same key now on the Jaycos. So a huge pass through that goes underneath the bed as well. You got a big power awning with an LED light strip in it. You have another compartment in the back too. You'll have to take my word for it. We're a little tight right here, but there's an outdoor kitchen in there as well. Big grab handle on the outside. Here, I'll show you some stuff inside. One of the things the Jaycos have upgraded to in the last year or so is the solid surface countertops in the kitchen. They always used to be T-molded, just pressed board with a big T-molding edge in it. They are all one-piece solid surface now. You have a little bigger sink now with the Rocky Mountain. It's a big split sink. You have your drying rack on one side, and you have your cutting board on the other with an extendable sprayer. You have the glass range cover with the LED lights in the front oven with a window on it. Microwave, exhaust hood, and then here's your 8 cubic foot fridge. So it's about 2 cubic foot bigger than almost everybody else's does. Then kind of the star of the show here is the bunks. It's got the big double bunks. You can fit 2 adults in there if they like each other enough. You can fit kids in there. They can grow up and be teenagers. They can be 6 foot something tall, and you can still have enough room for them to sleep them. Huge shower in this one. So probably one of the bigger showers of any trailer I have out here. Porcelain bowl on the toilet in this one as well, so not a little plastic toilet. And then you got a medicine cabinet and a sink out here as well. In this area here, you got big giant pantries or closets, whatever you want to use them for there. Then you have a U-shaped dinette, so you got enough room to fit several people sitting around it, storage underneath it. This makes into another big bed too, so being the U-shape, it's another huge bed. You can get a bunch of tall people in this. You have your queen bed up front, which you can get into from both sides. You have doors, not little curtains, actual pocket doors here that will close off. And then this lifts up like we've seen from that storage underneath. It's just got a massive storage area. There's a spot to hook a second TV up in the bedroom if you want to do that. And you got plugs on each side and of the bed as well. You got a big 32-inch screen TV here that pulls out and swivels. You have AM, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth, USB, XYZ, the whole thing that can stream music right off your phone, play it inside, outside, or both at the same time. It's a Jayco, so we got all LED lights on the inside, but also all the bulbs and marker bulbs and everything on the outside are LED too. Not everybody's doing that. Jayco that has this Jay Flight series here. It's the #1 selling travel trailer in the United States every year since '05. One of the main reasons it stays on top is it's a similar price point to all the junky stuff that kind of looks similar to this floor plan, but it's not built the same way as the Jayco, who's been around for over 50 years, and they have the best warranty. It's a 2-year instead of a 1-year bumper to bumper. Now underneath this linoleum here on the floor is tongue and groove plywood. You can't see it, but you'll have to believe me, it's real wood, marine grade tongue and groove plywood. I'd say 80 to 90% of this industry is all packed with OSB, a lot of particle board in this industry. That's not really our friend in Oregon, where we're at here. So we tend to carry brands here that are using real wood in the floor, and there's not a whole lot of them. And we kind of corner that market here at Guaranty, which is kind of nice. So not saying that there's not another manufacturer we don't carry that isn't good as well, but we do have about 6-7 manufacturers we carry here, and you know, what we feel are the top stuff over being in this business for over 50 years. So we're selling stuff that holds its value a little bit better and also holds up a little bit better temperature wise and insulation for the Northwest, as well as seeing its share of rain here like in Eugene where we're at. So follow me, I'll show you some stuff on the outside. Something we don't see as often anymore is you got a ladder on the back with a full walk-on roof. A lot of stuff you could probably walk on it if you could find a way to get up there, but most manufacturers these days aren't putting ladders on the back anymore. This one you can. You got a full-size spare on the back. It's also a made in the US Goodyear tire back here for your spare. Backup camera prep, if you ever want to add a camera to this thing, it's super easy to do. If you do it yourself, it's really, really cheap, and it's a matter of unscrewing a couple things, plugging one thing in, and then linking the rest up through Bluetooth. You got your sewer hose that we give you, included on every deal, stored in the back. We give batteries, propane, sewer hose, a whole bit. Your dump station's right here. It's easy to get to. It's not buried under the slide like some stuff might do. You have an outdoor shower. Here's your city water connection and a black tank flush. After you drain out your black tank, you can blast fresh water through all your tanks and your lines. This is something that's pretty important as far as trailers. A lot of people will buy these things and never even, kind of notice what the slide mechanism is. This is a rack and pinion. That's what my Jayco's use, and a lot of my other stuff out here does too. It's the best for handling a lot of weight, and it's the most reliable system of the 3 slide out types. And like I said, it's the most powerful, and it's going to be able to handle a lot of weight. Where you got the big dinette here, you might be sitting 4 or 5 people in there. All these little bulbs on the outside, like I said, are LED. You got an LED light here. The solar prep is up in the front too, so you can buy a solar panel, attach it up to the front. There's a bunch of other stuff on here I'd like to show you too, so give me a call when you can. My cell number is 541-525-4001, and my name is Ryan DeAngelis from Guaranty RV. Give me a call, I'll help you out some more, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.